Alright, so we got the 2002 Honda Rancher 350, and we got some worn grips on it. I mean, they're actually in pretty bad shape. So we're gonna go ahead and change these out. So you take the end caps off. You need it's a 10 millimeter socket you'll need. Take the end caps off. I'll be right back. I gotta get a box cutter, or utility knife people call them, and then peel it. Comes right off. So there's the old grip. Do the same thing with the other side here. Slice it, peel it off, and if it's dirty or whatever, oily or something, you can clean that off. This one looks really good shape, so we're just going to go ahead and just glue it on the new grips. So we got our new Honda grips. For the Hondas, I like using the OEM grips only because the aftermarket ones, they don't have the hole in the end where you got to put your cap on. And also, I don't know, Honda makes good OEM grips. So here's the part number. You want to know what it is? So we get our grip glue, put some glue on the handlebars themselves. Spread it around enough, get it everywhere. Seems like if you miss a spot or a section, you can miss a spot usually. If you miss a section, you can tend to twist the grip after it dries because there's a spot missing. Then I just like putting just a little bead around the inside, so as it goes on, it slides this down the grip. It seems to work for me. Here's where you got to be kind of quick sometimes so it doesn't set up on you. Sometimes they set up quick, sometimes they don't. So, see all that glue coming out the end? I like wiping it off first before I get it to the end. That's why I got my rubber gloves on, because that excess then a lot of times drips off. So I caught it, making sure it's all real straight. Then I got to get glue off my finger. That's why I got my rubber gloves on. Put the end cap on, tighten it down, and go to the other side. Put the glue on, and that one's empty. I was just using up one I already had previously open, so I'll use the one I just opened here recently. Put this on. Like I said, trying to spread out as evenly as I can. Put a little bead on the inside all the way around, and then kind of being kind of quick about once you start it, you got to get it on. Take that bead and grab it. The excess. Let's get that off. And make sure they're straight. It doesn't look good when you got the grip crooked on here. Just make sure they're straight. Get my glove off here. That's full of super glue. Or grip glue, I should say. It actually smells just like super glue, and then probably just rebranded super glue. There, that's that. So, any kind of grip glue. This is Scott's grip glue. Comes in a little tube. It's all kinds of grip glue. I think super glue would work just fine. There you are. Got brand new grips. Making sure they're straight. Let it set up. Usually let it set up overnight, and it's good. All right, hopefully that helped you out.
Thank you so much for watching. I make videos like this often. If this helped you out or you enjoyed the content, please hit the like button below and consider subscribing. Please also consider donating using the link in the description below, which helps keep this channel going. Hope to see you in the next video.